Welcome back to our channel, friends. This is Sonia here from GrowingCraft, and I hope you all are doing good. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Coming back to this one. So, nameplate banana is one of my favorite thing. I absolutely love making varieties of nameplate, and यहाँ पर पहले मैं अपने बेस के ऊपर लगा रही हूँ जेसो. आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई गुड 2 coats of gesso. So whatever the supplies I'm using are there on our website at growingcraft.com, and do check out our Instagram too for the quick reels. So like I said, GrowingCraft website में you can get everything. Now coming back to the tutorial, यहाँ पर पहले मैं यूज कर रही हूँ हमारा gesso, good 2 coats of gesso, and इसको हम अच्छे से dry कर लेंगे. Dry करने के बाद then we are going to move on to the next step, that is modeling paste. Now this is an old video. अगर मैं ये अब बना रही होती तो I would like to tell you कि क्या difference होता. First I would have applied my modeling paste, then I would have done my gesso. This way मेरा gesso थोड़ा कम लगता because on most of the surfaces I'm going to do the texture work. So like I always say, you always learn from your mistakes, you always learn from your practice. So this is what I have learned कि अगर आप modeling paste कर रहे हैं, texture work कर रहे हैं, do that first, then use your gesso. You will save some supplies. Of course, like in this one I'm going to save a lot because मैं बहुत सारा texture work करने वाले अपने surfaces के ऊपर. Now this is one way of using stencil with your modeling paste. If you want, you can use your chalk paints also. So like I said, you can check out all these supplies on our website at growingcraft.com. And yes, stencils is one of the beautiful supply which you can use in different ways, and trust me, it looks amazingly beautiful. So texture work हो जाने के बाद हम इसको पूरा dry करेंगे, and once this dries out, I'm going to apply my decoupage napkin. So decoupage napkin, like this is one of my favorite napkin which I had used for my nameplate. I think this is so versatile, so beautiful. Like you can make this for your nameplates, for your welcome board or anything. It looks great. यहाँ पे just to make sure that I do not waste too much of napkin, I'm just cutting my napkin to the size of my base. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप वसी कट भी कर सकते हो, but I just thought that random cutting work will do. So here I'm going to use my decoupage glue. You can use your Mod Podge too, and you need to apply this on your complete base. Now as I'm going to stick my complete napkin, the process is going to be completely different. जब आप patch work में अपने napkin stick करते हो तो you just need to apply थोड़ा थोड़ा glue and then use your napkin. But जब आप पूरा sheet कर रहे होते हो तो you have to be very quick. Now this is one of the tricky part where you just lay your napkin. बहुत हल्के से आपको रखना है. You don't have to press it. And take up your another flat dry brush and then start sticking your napkin. See, just because we have a lot of modeling paste work done on our base, इसमें wrinkles, bubbles नहीं दिखेगा. You just need to make sure that you use your dry brush and it's going to look gorgeously beautiful. So yeah, this is one of the easiest way of applying your napkin to your base. And इसको आप अच्छे से dry होने दें. उसके बाद you can trim out all the images and the parts. So take up your sponge dauber, press it really well, and sponge dauber use करते ही it will take the shape of your modeling paste. Once it dries out completely, like I know मैंने video थोड़ा speed up किया हुआ है तो you could not see the drying process and all, but dry होने के बाद ही you need to use your filer or your sandpaper and remove the excessive napkin from this. Not to mention, again, do check out our website growingcraft.com and check out all these supplies. And I'm extremely proud of like sharing this with you all, that we have like more than 300 decoupage napkin designs on our website. So यहाँ पर मैं ये नाम लगाने पेंट करने वाली हूँ. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first trace this. So name plate पे tracing करने के लिए this is one of the carbon sheets what you guys will see me using. Otherwise there are some other options also on our website, like there is one cream color carbon which I absolutely love, which is just perfect. So you can try out those also. You just need to trace your names with the carbon, and once you are done with it, you can paint it. Now for painting the nameplate, I highly recommend to go for the acrylic paints. Why? I'll tell you. Because acrylic paints, they shine after drying, so I think that really gives a good highlight to your nameplate. So that is one of the things which I really think is important, that use your acrylic paints and they make sure that your project and your name shines out after that. सो एक्चुअल में इसको करने में बहुत टाइम लगा था, बट यहाँ वीडियो में तो इट इज लुकिंग सो क्विक क्विक. नो, इट इज नॉट दैट इजी. बट या, वंस योर नेम हैज बिन डन, it has dried out completely, then seal it with varnish. Do not forget to seal your project. It's very, very, very important. A good 2-3 coats of varnish are enough. So yeah, with this our quick tutorial is done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.